Using Marcus by Goldman Sachs, an online banking platform, is straightforward and user-friendly. Here's how you can utilize its features. Account setup. Begin by visiting the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website or downloading the mobile app. Follow the prompts to create an account by providing personal information, such as your name, address, social security number, and contact details. Explore products. Once your account is set up, explore the various financial products offered by Marcus, including high-yield savings accounts, CDs, personal loans, and more. Review the terms, interest rates, and features of each product to determine which best suits your financial goals. Open account. To open a savings account or CD, select the desired product and follow the steps to complete the application process. You may need to fund your account with an initial deposit. Manage finances. Access your account online or through the mobile app to view your balances, track transactions, and manage your finances conveniently. Set up recurring transfers, track your savings goals, and monitor your progress over time. Customer support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers customer support via phone, email, or online chat to assist you promptly.